We actually price our product, so there's not a lot of room for price decreases, discounts, or whatnot. But what we can do is we can save our customers money in other ways. So ToolCare is one of those ways. ToolCare is an inventory stocking program that we use to make sure that our customers have a full inventory of tools on their shop floor.
That way they don't have to place orders. They don't have to call me and say, hey, can you please rush us out a tool? The tool's already on their floor.
So we provide the customers with a Lista cabinet. It's lockable. We fill it full of the type of tools that they would normally use. When we put a ToolCare program together, our sales engineers sit down with the customer. They look at the type of tools that the customer would typically use. We look at the history of our tools versus competitor tools, and we fill up the cabinet with the amount so they can always have 2 months worth of inventory on hand.
And it's maintained by the sales reps, us as sales engineers, to make sure that the tools are in there that they need, the tools that they're using are furnished.
There's no upfront investment, so they're not spending thousands of dollars on cutting tools. We're doing that investment for them. They don't have to call in purchase orders on a daily basis. We basically just build that purchase order until the end of the month and bill them one time. It helps them reduce their administration costs by quite a bit.
Downtime is a sensitive subject, and during downtime, if they're not able to have the cutters that they need, time is money, and they're losing money the longer they have to wait for cutters.
When a customer has a ToolCare, they know what tools they have that they can use in their machining process, and they can call the sales engineer and discuss different jobs. How can I cut this faster? How can I reduce my machining time here? How can I get a better surface quality? It really becomes a teamwork between Freza USA and our customer to try to get their job done the cheapest, the fastest way possible. They basically have what they need, and they tell us what they used, and in the end we bill them. And of course we're going to support that ToolCare as best we can, fill it up with new product, bring out the latest and greatest of what we have, so that these people, these ToolCare customers, which are essentially the core customers of Freza, can grow their business and in turn be very successful and help us become more successful.